Good morning, traders. What a morning. Let's dive straight into the heart of global commodities. Crude oil opens the week under pressure. With geopolitical turmoil, with Ukraine hitting Russian refineries and Russia striking back, has kept traders nervous about supply flows from Russia. Brent is trading down 0.7% at $67.48 this morning, reflecting expectations for increased exports from Brazil and possibly greater OPEC output, all while weekly Russian shipments are at a month-long low. If trading oil, consider short-dated downside protection or tactical shorts, but watch for geopolitical headlines. Any sign of escalation could once again rapidly reverse sentiment. Gasoline and diesel are seeing a sharp price hike in some markets despite crude's global drop. For example, Ghana's pump prices jumped almost 5.4% for petrol and 3.39% for diesel, influenced by a sharply weaker CD and local supply shortfalls. Even as the international oil price drifted gently down last week. The contrast reminds us that currency moves and regional logistics can override global trends. If trading in refined products or currencies, consider the arbitrage between local and global price drivers. Gold is glittering at a new all-time high on MCX in early Monday morning trade. Nervousness over US economic stability and aggressive tariff moves last week have prompted safe haven buying, especially in the Asian markets. Silver is following the same pattern. Spreads between paper and physical are widening, so watch for opportunities on the physical premium front if liquidity allows. If trading precious metals, stay long and consider rolling into options if volatility spikes further. Agricultural commodities are humming with harvest optimism. In the US South and Midwest, favorable weather is boosting corn and soybean prospects, adding mild downward pressure on prices. In sugar, the Brazilian crush is up and global supply gaps are narrowing fast for 25-26. ISO now projects only a 231,000 ton shortfall, dramatically less than last year. Palm oil exports taxes are climbing in Indonesia, signaling bullish support for CPO, as Malaysia's exports are up 10.2% month on month. If trading ags, consider selling sugar rallies, backing CPO strength and watching grain spreads for weather-driven moves. So what about the geopolitical backdrop? China continues to host the largest ever Shanghai Cooperation Summit in Tianjin. Modi and Putin are in the spotlight. Modi is leveraging new US tariffs and Putin reframing the narrative around Trump's erratic diplomacy. The result is a world watching for new alignments, a critical moment with knock-on effects for energy and metals markets, and of course, all of us in these markets. So stay nimble, trade what's in front of you, and remember, transparency and fast reactions are your best friends.